Hi, I'm Melissa, a student esthetician at Kenneth Shuler School of Cosmetology, and today I'll be showing you how to properly remove your makeup at home without damaging the skin barrier. Before starting, make sure you sanitize your hands. So we're going to use Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse to remove the makeup. Give it a nice lather and apply it to the face, chin, cheeks, forehead. This is an oil-based cleanser that's going to remove all the dirt and oil. Here I'm taking 2 cotton rounds to cleanse the eye makeup. Don't forget the eyes. Now we're going to go in with the special cleansing gel. Again, chin, cheeks, forehead. This cleanser is going to give you an even better lather than the pre-cleanse, and it's very gentle on the skin. Make sure you're getting all those creases like around the nose and in the corner of the eye. Here we're going to use the hot towel and put it around the face, not covering the mouth and the nose. This is going to help take off all that extra product that was left when removing with the 4x4s. Now we're going to go in with the toner on a cotton round and just apply that to the face. Here we're going in with the moisturizer. This is going to hydrate the skin. And lastly, we're going to go in with the SPF. This is going to protect you from the sun UVs that are going to damage your skin. And you're done. Thanks for watching.